Hey everyone. If Perplexity AI isn't generating answers or seems stuck, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Perplexity AI requires a strong connection to the servers in order to generate responses correctly. Next, refresh the page or reopen the app. Sometimes a simple reload fixes temporary glitches and allows answers to generate properly. Try clearing your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can block responses from loading, so clearing them often solves the problem. Also check if Perplexity AI servers are down. Occasionally, delays or outages prevent answers from being generated. And in that case, you may just need to wait. Make sure your query is clear and properly formatted. Very long, complex, or ambiguous questions can sometimes cause errors or prevent responses from appearing. Finally, make sure your app or browser is updated. Updates usually include bug fixes that resolve issues with response generation. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Perplexity AI when it's not generating answers and get it working smoothly again.